Welcome back. We continue our work with multi-body parts. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the Indent tool when working with multi-body parts. In my graphic area, I've got two bodies, a plate. This is going to be a target body. And I've got a cylinder. The cylindrical body will be the tool body. Let's activate the Indent command. Go to Insert, Features, and select Indent. The first action to take is to select the target body, and that'll be my plate. Now we select the tool body region. Watch what happens if I select my tool body from the top. Let's make the thickness 2 millimeters, tab to register. After my selection of the tool body from the top, SOLIDWORKS creates a pocket at the top portion of the plate. Let's remove our selection from the tool body region, right-click and delete. If I select the tooling body from the bottom, the pocket is created under the plate. Another way to change the pocket direction is to use the Remove Selections method. We get the same results as in our previous example. For our clearance, let's use 0.5 millimeter, tab to accept. OK. And let's use a section view. We can see how the pocket looks inside now. Let's right-click on our indent, Edit feature. The last option we've got here is the Cut method. Let's click OK. In this case, the tool body simply cuts a hole in the target body. Let's take a look at another example now. I've got two separate bodies here. On the first body, there's a rib. The rib divides the tool body in 4 sections. Let's activate the Indent command again. First, we select the target body. The thickness, let's say 10 millimeters. Now let's see what happens when I select the tool body. Looks fine so far. Let's click OK. Section view, cancel out. Let's edit our feature, right-click, Edit feature. Let's adjust the thickness, we'll make it 1 millimeter. Tab to register, here's our updated preview. Notice that the pocket is built in only one section. If I try to select the tool body, notice that everything becomes deselected here. I'm able to select one face and a second face, but I'm still 2 segments short. If I use the Remove Selections method, I get results that I'm not happy with. Let's try it again. Right-click in the tool body region and clear selections. Now let's select the tool body from this side. We'll use the Remove Selections method. Now the preview looks fine. Let's click OK and take a section view. OK. And this concludes our lesson about using the Indent tool.